Okay, it has been so freaking busy this week. I've said it on my Instagram many times. I don't need to say it again. Well, I just did. I'm moving most of my place to somewhere else. That doesn't give you a clue. Packing that stuff up. However, for this new place, I bought some new things. Oh my God, I'm like trying to be like secretive, but I'm pretty much, okay guys, I got a studio. But don't be surprised if the next video title is, I got a studio, okay? Just go with it. I got a studio space, so most of my stuff that belongs at like an office will be going there. Because I got a studio, I needed lights, which came today. I figured I'll do an unboxing, test out, just in case you guys are out there looking for lights. Okay, package number one. It is heavy, but only because I got two. So there it is. I guess the company is Loft Tech. Discover a wonderful life. Terrible slogan. Oh, it's thin. Oh, weird. That was gonna be thicker than that. That's what she said. Charlie's looking at me so unimpressed. Man, I know. So we got two. I did purchase these. This is not an ad. This is strictly an honest review here. I'm not gonna open both. It's gonna be the same experience, okay? All right. The warranty and the manual. Inside of this box is supposed to be an LED RGB floodlight. It's gonna be a really bright light, but for colors. I believe it's gonna go white as well, so it can be a normal light. There it is right there. Okay, so it comes with a remote. Looks like a TV remote. This thing's pretty high tech. So it comes in black and white. I got white. So this is called the Loft Tech Nova Plus Floodlight. You can tilt it. It's got like swivels on the side, so you can tilt it. It's also got screw mounts on the back, so you can actually screw this into a wall. It has a dimmer. My biggest fear is that with the dimmer and the shutter speed on this camera, it might flicker. I'm hoping it doesn't, but it might. It does not come with batteries. AAA batteries too. It's like the ones that like nobody has. Or if you have them, they're in your TV remotes. Plug this in. Oh shoot. Yeah, see, you guys can't see anything. It just turned on. Yeah, you guys can't see this at all. Let's try red. Oh, that's red. You know what we're gonna do? Let's go into my bathroom where it's the only place I can really get pitch black, and we're gonna plug this light in. Okay, we're in my bathroom. I know you can't see anything, but let's turn this on. Oh, it is bright as hell. No, there's flickering. Damn it, there's flickering. Let me change the shutter speed. Okay, it's getting worse. Let me go faster. Oh, pretty much gone, but I'm so overblown. That's not bad. Let's try green. Oh my God, that like hurts the eyes. Let's try blue. Is there some ways with that? No, and white. White is like a really cold blue. Oh shoot, you can do mix. Here's orange. Lime. Okay, lime is like teal. Navy. Navy's like purple. Coral. Coral's like orange. The controller's got all the names at the bottom right here, but they just kind of just varied the name. But watch, this is orchid. It's gonna look like pink. See? And then here's pink. Like, I don't know if you can see the difference in shade there. Oh, a little bit. Here's indigo, yellow. Okay, there's smooth. So smooth is just like obviously a smooth transition. Cycling through all the colors, very smooth, but also fast. Here's dim. Let's start to dim it. But as you dim it, it starts to get more blue. Then watch, we'll turn it back up. You'll see like the temperature kind of change a bit. Well, it kind of looks like I'm watching TV here. Okay, so let's try red. Oh my God, this is so bright. See, this says navy, but this is also kind of coming across as purple. And then here's purple. So, like, very small difference. It's all coming from that little center chip right there. Oh, cool. You can see there's blue, green, and red. Let's just do red. Oh, okay, so that's how it works. So there's all red. Now if we try orange, you'll see it's a bit of mix. It's like a mix of all the other lights. It's red, green. Oh, green, hey, green looks sick. So it's a little bit more true on the iPhone camera actually than it is on my other camera. Let's go back out there and review some more stuff. So that was the Loft Tech Nova Plus, and it's gonna be lighting up the backdrop of my new place. Just to add a little bit more fun and color to my videos, I'll have one set up this way and I'll have one set up this way. My review on it is, it's good. The build quality is super sturdy. It's metal on the back. The whole back of the light is metal. It's got a swivel mount so you could stand it up or you could hang it if you really wanted to. You guys saw in that iPhone footage that the whole light is based off of that little chip in the middle. The only issue I could say I'd have with it is how small the cord is. Super small cord, so I'm gonna need an extension cord if I'm using this light, but other than that, okay, next light. I wanna start this off by saying I am so incredibly shocked that this light is in a box this size. That also goes to show that I didn't get exactly what I thought I was getting. I can already tell this does not come with a stand. Look at that. Now let me explain why I got this light. For this exact reason, it is portable. When I travel, I can now bring this light with me, no problem. This was a little bit more expensive than that lighting. It comes with a remote. Egg-shaped remote. Pretty basic remote, on, off, dimmers. It looks like there's some settings at the bottom. It's got the AC adapter in there. No way, is there a stand in here? I'm so confused. What the hell? This is where it's getting confusing. This is a roll-up LED light. I don't know what this is for. I thought there was a stand in here. It looks like the handle of a tripod. You know when you spin it to loosen it? So wow, look at this. There's all like the individual lights. It's got a diffuser. Literally no instructions. First off, this light was a little bit more expensive. This was like $270 for this. It feels like poster board. I don't know. This isn't looking too promising, to be honest. Those bars connect with those two connector pieces in the middle to make this little frame. The light here has like the soft Velcro part along the side, so I guess we just line it up. So now we kind of just like framed the light pretty much. It just doesn't want to seem to work, man. I don't know where the remote is. It's not recognizing the remote. This remote is absolutely useless. I'm a little concerned here because this controller isn't controlling anything. And the problem is this light doesn't come with any sort of instructions either. Very confused. There's no spot, there's no thread mount for this. This almost looks like it was an added piece they just tossed in. What we have right now is just a square light. There's no way to hang it. There's no mounts, there's nothing. How is somebody supposed to hang this light? It's like nice even lighting. It's like they've sent me parts to something that isn't even with this, unless I'm missing, am I missing something? The other cool thing is that this light is super flexible, so like light myself on different angles. I gotta do some Google searching, because this doesn't make sense. It's got a hard switch right here, on, off, and then it's got a remote switch. The biggest issue is how are you gonna mount this? It is literally just a picture frame, but there's no mount, man. There's no way to mount this unless you have like clamps or a handle. Very cheap, man. What a waste, man. I gotta do some more research and come back to you guys if I figure this out. Okay, I found the problem. I don't know who's shipping this at this eBay store, but this, I've confirmed, is indeed a tripod handle. Why it's sent with a lighting device, I have zero idea. Why this is separated from the tripod makes no sense. I just watched a video on YouTube, and the frame that they have, there's a threaded mount. There's none. This essentially is a light that you cannot mount. This remote controls this entire light. Without it, this is just, it's like buying a car that only goes straight. When you need to turn, sometimes you need to go right, sometimes you need to go left. It's like this. Yes, it's providing light, but it's not allowing me to brighten the light, dim the light, change the light temperature. I was really looking forward to this light, but this is not at all. This light we just saw was a shipping error, I'm assuming at this point. We're gonna see how they handle this situation. Other than that, this light was so cool. It's portable, it's amazing. Like, yeah, it does do like nice lighting. Like I said, I'm in the middle of packing right now, so it's really busy. This was a quick review on 2 different types of lighting. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll have another video coming out very soon. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.